What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Cardinal Red, and we back for another unboxing. And today we're unboxing the, let me see if I can pronounce this right, Zonko or Zonko action camera ZK8000. It's a 4K action camera. And this is a, supposed to be a true 4K, but nothing's true 4K. But this is a $50 budget action camera. It's supposed to be a GoPro knockoff, and I'm going to test it for you in a little while. But first, I'm going to unbox it. Like I said, this is a $50 Amazon action camera. If you're looking to purchase you a cheap budget action camera, check my description box. There'll be a link and a code in there for you. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And if you check out any of my other unboxing, there are Amazon links and codes in there for all the merchandise. So once again, this is the Zonko 4K action camera. Let's check out some of these specs. Video resolution at 4K is 25 frames per second. At 2.7K is 30 frames per second. 1080p 30 frames per second. 720p 120 frames, 60 frames per second. Image resolution 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 4 megapixel. Screen is 2 inches LCD. The lens is 170-degree wide angle fisheye lens. Has wireless connection. It has a remote, 2.4 gig remote. It has an input-output microphone, USB, HDMI. The battery is 2 times 1050 milliamp hours. Has a time-lapse mode. It has a waterproof casing up to 100 feet. Has micro SD storage, and comes with 10 plus mounts and multi-language supported. So if you're looking for a cheap budget action camera that is Wi-Fi accessible with remote and wide angle fisheye lens, which is 4K, try out the Zonko or Zonko budget action camera from Amazon. This is a great product, and here in a second, like I said, I'm going to test it out for you, give you a daytime shot, a nighttime shot, and a shot where the screen is really bright because it snowed here later on that day. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's check out some of this action real quick. Like I said, this is an Amazon product. Check out this action camera real quick. I really like this thing, man. It's well built. It's the housing is well built. I haven't tried it underwater yet, but plan on testing that out. Check out the Ghetto Angler for that, and it's in my playlist. So let's go ahead and test out this camera. As you can see, the 4K is the HD 4K is nice, man. It's not real shaky, or when you mount it in the right place, it's not real shaky, and it comes with a mount for that. The daytime shots are really nice and crisp. The nighttime shots, they could be better, but this is a GoPro camera. There are no flashes or anything extra as far as lighting on her. And as you can see, the brightness, when it's really bright, it still gives you a nice quality shot. So, and we are moving, so you know it's not really choppy. For $50, man, you can't beat this for a budget action camera. Like I said, this is a GoPro knockoff. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Laters.